The low-profile stretch wrap machine features a thin-spin carousel with the added benefit of a stretch wrap machine with powered rotation. The rotation is controlled by a foot switch, while the power input has a variable AC motor that allows adjustable deck speed and includes soft start, stop. The RPM is variable from 3 to 12. The loading and unloading is possible by the use of a manual or powered pallet truck. The unit has a built-in perimeter ramp and comes standard with a manual stretch wrap mast. The film wrap tension is controlled with an adjustable friction brake assembly. Film placement is controlled manually by moving the carriage assembly up and down on the vertical mast. An easy-to-release, hand-operated carriage brake allows the carriage to move freely, making film applications fast and easy. Optional 115-volt, one-phase AC powered mast option includes hand control with up and down buttons. Either factory installed or retrofit powered mast option, a chain guard for powered mast also available. The maximum load is 64, 11 16 inches in diameter. The wrap height is 83 1/4 inch high, and the capacity is 4,000 pounds.